पोस्ट वर्क में काफ़ी फन डे है क्योंकि मैं हूँ शर्मन जोशी के साथ फरारी की सवारी पर। मैंने लिया है छोटा सा ब्रेक फ्रॉम द राइड टू हैव एन एक्सक्लूसिव चैट विद शर्मन। वेलकम ऑन ज़ूम।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
शर्मन, स्टाइल से फरारी की सवारी, यू हैव कम अ रियली लॉन्ग वे, सो योर एड्रेनलिन मस्ट बी हाई राइट नाउ।
Yeah, it's got nothing to do with that journey actually. I have been doing the kind of work that I like to do, enjoying every piece of work that I have been a part of.
You gave 30 auditions for this particular character.
Yeah, about 30, 40. I don't know the count actually, but over 2 months. Constantly, because like I told you, it's so out of skin, this character for me.
शर्मन, जैसे अभी हमने इस कैरेक्टर के बारे में इतनी डिटेल्स में बात की, people don't know much about the movie right now. We know there is this car, एक बच्चा है, cricket match है, but what the movie is all about?
Rusi, the name of my character.
Rusi.
Yeah, Rustam Behram Debu. My father's name, that is Baman Irani, playing this character. Behram Adeshar Debu, Behram. And my son, Kayoze Rustam Debu, Kayo. These are the 3 principal characters, and of course with other many important characters. So Rusi belongs to a low middle class background, and he's a head clerk at the RTO in Worli at Mumbai. And his son is a very promising cricketer, an exceptionally talented and gifted fellow. And he's been given this opportunity to attend a camp at Lords, which is the mecca of cricket, and play with international cricketers with, the caliber of, let's say, with the likes of possibly Sachin Tendulkar, Shane Warne. But there's a fee that needs to be paid for this camp, which is of ₹1.5 lakh rupees. Rusi, from the background that he comes from, it's very difficult to arrange that kind of money, right? So simultaneously in the film, there's a cooperator and his son is getting married, and the son insists that his wedding procession should go out in a Ferrari. The wedding planner gets in touch with me, and because of my happens to know me already, and gets in touch with me, and with my RTO background inquires whether I know of this Ferrari model, and particular Ferrari model that she asked for, and I tell her that Sachin Tendulkar has it, and that's when she makes the proposal to me that if I can get this Ferrari for her for 2 days for the wedding, then she can provide me with $1.5 lakh rupees, with which I can send my son to the camp at Lords. And thereafter, the story will unfold on 15th June.
So do we see Sachin Tendulkar and Shane Warne in this movie?
So Michael Schumacher, who gifted the Ferrari to Sachin Tendulkar, the very same Ferrari we used in the film, whether you'll see Sachin Tendulkar in the film, 15th of June is your date.
In one of the interviews, Mr. Vidhu Vinod Chopra, उन्होंने भी कुछ इसी तरह की बात की. He is touting this movie as his best movie so far, and we have movies like 1942, A Love Story, Munna Bhai, and 3 Idiots from him. So would you agree with him?
Absolutely. Like I mentioned before, a friend was asking me, how do you feel about this film? I told him that I have been part of Rang De Basant 3 Idiots now, and I told him that if there's that one film, and I'm hoping to be a part of many other films, of course, top 10 films at least of the country or possibly of the world, I want to be a part of at least 10 films, and Ferrari Ki Sawari will be one of them for sure. Also,
somebody has told us that your next project is Chitti and you are going to Kashmir for it. Is that true?
Yeah, Kashmir is one location that has been zeroed in. There is another location also which is going to be somewhere up north in India, yet to be finalized. It's a romantic drama, love triangle, 2 guys and a girl. Casting is yet in progress, and yeah, that's going to be the next film. We start by the end of the year or possibly early next year.
So big year for you. And to wrap this interview up, tell us what is or which is your fantasy ride?
Fantasy ride?
Ferrari can't be, you just rode it.
No, Ferrari is a fantasy drive.
Oh, yeah, ride.
Fantasy ride, what would be a fantasy ride? Yeah? Probably a fantasy jump. Some more skydiving. I've jumped a couple of times. I would like to go and do some more skydiving. It's absolutely exhilarating. It's wonderful.
Thank you, Sharman. Thank you for talking with us. And shall we go on a ride now?
Please, let's go for it.
So I'm going for a joyride with Sharman Joshi. Meanwhile, you keep watching Zoom with cameraman Aditya, Kirti Tarang, Mumbai.